Hi everyone. Today we discussed one more decomposition. It's a singular value decomposition. So having a more importance in image processing and image compressions. So this singular value decomposition of any matrix of order m by n is stated as A is equals to U sigma V transpose, where U and V are orthogonal matrices of order m and n respectively. Sigma is a matrix of order m by n, which having singular values of A in main diagonal and other entries are zeros. Okay, so here not only a square matrix, any of the matrix A of any order, either it is square or rectangular matrix, can be expressed as a factorization or factors of U sigma V transpose. Here U, V are orthogonal matrices of order m by n, and sigma is a matrix of order m by n rectangular matrices which is having singular values of A in the main diagonal and other entries are zeros. So what do you mean by singular values? A is any matrix of order m by n, and lambda 1, lambda 2 and so on lambda n are eigenvalues of A transpose A. Then the numbers square root of lambda 1, square root of lambda 2 and so on, square root of lambda n are called the singular values of A. This singular value decomposition have very much uses in image compressions and also machine learning. Too much of importance is there in both the fields. Now, so in this, how to find out that U and V? So here let's look into these points. If A is any matrix of order m by n, then A transpose A and A into A transpose are symmetric matrices of different orders, but both matrices having the same eigenvalue, but the bigger one having a zero as an additional eigenvalue. Okay, if it is A transpose A is 3 by 3 matrix and A transpose is 2 by 2 matrix. Let us consider 1 and 2 are the eigenvalues of A into A transpose. A transpose A is 3 by 3 matrix. So 1, 2 and additionally 0 as the eigenvalue. Okay, like that. All eigenvalues are positive here. V is an orthogonal matrix of order n having orthogonal eigenvectors of A transpose A as columns. Okay, here V is an orthogonal matrix of order n having orthonormal eigenvectors of A transpose A as columns. U is an orthogonal matrix of order m having orthonormal eigenvectors or orthogonal eigenvectors of A transpose of unit length as a columns. Now I will explain through an example. Find the singular value decomposition for the matrix A is 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. First we compute A transpose A. Here A transpose means A is a 2 by 3 matrix. A transpose means 3 by 2 matrix. Just 3 by 2 into 2 by 3, that is 3 by 3. Just everyone knows multiplication of two matrices. Just I am here giving the value of A transpose A, and its eigenvalues are 2, 1, 0 with the corresponding eigenvectors 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 and minus 1, 1, 0. Here I am giving directly the eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Since already we discussed how to find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors in the previous videos. So if you want, you can go back and once listen the video and then try yourself how to find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Okay. So now after finding eigenvectors, you need to check that these are orthogonal or not. Pairwise orthogonal. Here 1 into 0, 0 plus 1 into 0 again 0 plus 1 into 0, 0. That is totally 0. Again x2 dot x3. Once again check that 0 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0. So totally 0. Now we check that x3 dot x1, 1 into minus 1, plus 1 into 1, 1, plus 0. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. That means each disjoint eigenvector, product of each vector is, each disjoint pair is orthogonal. So now we find orthonormalized vectors, or normalize these vectors. Now normalize means divide the vector with its length. So length of this vector is length of the vector. This one is root 2. Just divide this with root 2. And length of the vector x2 is 1. So just write the same as this one. Now length of the vector x3 is again root 2. Square root of minus 1 whole square plus 1 square plus 0. That means root 2. Just v3 is minus 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 0. Normalization of vector means converting a vector into unit length by dividing a vector with its length of the vector. Now, the singular values are here 2, 1, 0 are the singular values. So, these are the eigenvalues. Singular values are square root of eigenvalues are called the singular values. So, root 2, root 1, 0 are the singular values. Now write the matrix V. V is an orthogonal matrix which is having orthonormal eigenvectors of A transpose A. So already find out the normalized vectors of A transpose A. Write these vectors as a columns of V. Okay. Such is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 0, 0, 0, 1, minus 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 0. And sigma. That means a matrix of order m by n, that is same of order the given matrix A, same as A. A is 2 by 3, here also 2 by 3. Here remember one more point, write the singular values in the decreasing order, in the diagonal, in the main diagonal. Root 2, 1. So because of the same order 2 by 3, here diagonal elements are A11 and A22. So write the non-zero eigenvalues. Root non-zero singular values. Root 2, 1. Remaining all non-diagonal elements are 0. Now we compute U. For finding U, first we need to find A transpose into A. Or here we have the two ways to find out U, where U is an orthogonal matrix which is having orthonormal eigenvectors of A into A transpose. Okay. For R in another way by using these simple formulas. Here, what are the eigenvalues of U? Eigenvalues of U and V are the same. Here, U is of order 2 by 2. U is a matrix. U comes from the orthogonal matrix, which is of order n. Okay. So it is n means number of rows. That is A is an m by n. V is a matrix of order 3. U is a matrix of order 2. That's maybe that's we have here two ways to find out. One is by using the formulas, and the another one is orthonormal eigenvectors of A into A transpose. Here we discuss a simple one. U1 is equals to 1 by sigma 1 AV1. It's already find out V1. Here this is our V1. And the given matrix A into V1 gives 1, 0. U2 is 1 by sigma 2 into AV2, which is 0, 1. Now write the matrix U as a columns of these two, 1, 0, 0, 1. So you can easily write U sigma V transpose. A can be written as U sigma V transpose. If you want, you can check that the product is equivalent to A or not. inside now. Sometimes it may not directly equal to the same as A, which is nearly equal to A because of depending on the picture compressions. It's a little bit variations are there. Now coming, I will give one more example of different order of matrix. Find the singular decomposition for the matrix A is 1 1 0 1 0 1. Compute A transpose A. This is of order 3 by 2. Okay. So now A transpose A is 2 by 2. So now the eigenvalues of this matrix is 3, 1 and corresponding eigenvectors are 1, 1, minus 1, 1. The singular values of A are square root of eigenvalues, that is root 3 and root 1. So corresponding normalized eigenvectors are, because of this here observe this, product of these vectors is 0, that means orthogonal. Find the normalized vector, that means divide the vector with its length 1 by root 2 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 1 by root 2. Here V is equals to V1 V2 as a columns, and sigma. Here, whatever the order of A is same as the order of sigma, that is 3 by 2. What are the non-zero singular values? That is root 3 and 1, right? Non-zero singular values are the principal diagonal of sigma, diagonal elements of sigma. That is A11 and A22 is root 3 and 1 in the decreasing. It must be remember that it is in the decreasing order, and the remaining elements are zeros. Now find out U1 as 1 by sigma 1 AV1, which is like this, just multiplication. Sigma 2 is 1 by sigma 2 AV2, which gives like this. And we find out one more matrix, one more vector, which is orthogonal to U1 and U2. For finding this one, we have the two ways. One is by using Gram-Schmidt process, and the other one is, let us consider ABC is a vector which is orthogonal to U1, U2. Using the orthogonal process, vector U3, new vector U3 dot U1 is 0, U3 dot U2 is equals to 0. We will get three equations in two equations in three unknowns. Just eliminate using the determinant process, you will get. Here, we are applying Gram-Schmidt process U3. That's, I think, already we discussed in the last class, in the previous videos. U3 is using the Gram-Schmidt process. Just find out this one, which is orthogonal to U1 and U2. So, and write these matrices U1, U2, U3 are the columns of the matrix U. And you can verify that U sigma V transpose as near to A R naught. Sometimes it may be equal, sometimes it may not be equal, but it is nearly equal to A, depending on the picture that we considered in the picture image processing. Okay, thank you all. If you have any doubts, post your doubt in the chat box. I will give the reply to you.